So the data which we generally collect, it's called as a raw data, right? Now raw data has to be, you can get an information from raw data. I will not say you will not get, but if it is not organized, it will be very difficult to get any kind of meaningful inferences or some interpretation or some kind of analysis if we have a data which is in raw form. For example, a group of students, if they were asked for their favorite subject, the result is like this. Somebody say art, math, like this. So which is the most liked subject and which one is the least liked? So you have to count art 1, art 2, like this, okay? And again for English you have to count. So this is a raw data. And now we will try to make this raw data, convenient for us to interpret. Means we will organize this data, arrange them. So now we'll compute like this. Art, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we reach 5th, we just use this, you can say bar, or you can pipes. And when we compute 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we come to 5, we cross them, so that this is equivalent to 5. So this is 5, this is 2, so there are 7. We'll just go back to our raw data and try to see how many of English, how many people have said, or students have said English. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like this we'll put the bar, like this, okay, 4. So these are the number of students who have arts, who have who presented or who said that their favorite subject is art. 5, 7, 5, 6, and 4. English 4. So the number of tallies before each subjects, as you just saw, is the number of students. We represented it by bar, or you can say the vertical bars, and finally we computed it. And this is also known as the frequency. The 7, the 5, the 4, the 6, they are frequency. So frequency is the number of times that a particular entity will, or entry is going to occur or is present there. In this, the frequency of mathematics is this much, 5. So frequency is 5. This is 5. So the table made here is known as frequency distribution table, because it provides us the number of times an entry occurs. I hope you got the idea.